Okay, so I think most of you already knows every rules here lah, okay? Okay, we directly continue to. Okay, yesterday halfway already black out. So for this question, we look at this one. Form 4, Chapter 5, Waves. Okay. Then this question, you can see diagram different. But question could be similar. 4 marks and 4 marks. Okay. Because we got dark fringe and bright fringe. Dark and bright fringes form on the screen. But they form in different situation. Okay, based on number 3 and number 4, can you read first and then you name the phenomenon? Can you please analyze the key from the question? I want everyone make bracket. For example, if you feel this is key, you make bracket or you underline. Okay, done. Now, like Jen Sang, what is the name of this phenomenon? Diffraction. Okay, good. What is this? Yeah, number 3, diffraction. Number 4, sure. Ready? Yeah, correct lah. Interference. Okay, like, can you please tell me what is the key makes you feel is diffraction? Right, Yvonne? What's the key from the question makes you feel it's diffraction? Well, I want one key only. One key. Yes, gaps. Yeah, so diffraction means when the wave passes through a gap or obstacle, it changes the pattern. So you can see before that is flat, or we say it is a plane wave. But after passing through the gap, it becomes circular wave, not curved wave. We call it as circular wave. Then, like, what is the key? Maybe what are the key from number 4 makes you feel it's interference? Right, Uma? Key, I just want the key. Don't give me the real key. I just want keywords. Yes, 2 coherent sources. Very good. So got two sources, so they interfere to each other. Very good. Then normally, yeah, like if got interference, normally they will ask what are two coherent sources? Meaning, definition. Means the two sources, coherent means two sources have same, like Ashon, same. Yes, very good. Yes, same frequency in the same phase. Phase means same position. They move together. Same frequency, same phase. Now, how is this? We look at interference first. Explain how the dark and bright fringes are formed on the screen based on the phenomenon. Okay, I show you animation first. Okay, here got okay, so this is the interference for water. Can you see dark fringe and bright fringe? Yes. This is the interference for sound. Of course, sound we cannot see so we use the bright fringe and dark fringe to represent it. Then this is the interference of light waves. Okay, if I got screen would be like this, then you will see dark fringe, bright fringe, or on the screen also dark fringe and bright fringe. How is the fringe formed? If you have no idea, you can refer to the page, one page back. Interference. Okay, I give you 1 minute. You can write first, or you can figure out your sentence first. Yes. Oh, done. Okay, thank you. Everyone, attendance already written. Not yet. Okay.哎，Sylvia，感觉你准备好了是吗？Saravana, how are the fringes formed? Please read here. No idea. Read here. Here. Okay. Now, okay, seems like you're ready, right? Explain how the dark and bright fringes are formed. Sorry? I was giving you time to get ready. You use it for daydreaming. But after lunch, it's like lunch break blank, is it? Anyone can try. Just start a sentence. I will guide you in the next. Okay. Good. Like water wave how? Yes, yes. Like. The two holes. Okay, then. Press and throw. Press and throw. Okay, press and throw meet. So, I give you. Yes. Wait. Sorry. Wait. The crest and the crest and the throw and the throw. Oh, okay. The crest and the throw. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, very good. Press and press. Destructive, right? That's how you say. Okay, destructive. Sorry, you say constructive. Okay. Constructive interference occurs when crest with crest from both coherent sources meet. You can use the word meet. Okay. Then. So. So since they say dark and bright, yeah, very good. You make a very good start. So, okay, you can say okay, so dark fringe, you can say 2 points. Bright fringe, you say 2 points. Then you will get 4 already lah. So you can say constructive interference occurs, okay, when, again, Michelle, when both waves meet with. Okay, the sentence here is from both waves. The sentence here shows crest and throw meet. Cannot. You should say or you say when two, or we say both press, or both press or throw lah. From two sources or two coherent sources meet up. Or we can use the atas word, which is called superposition. If you don't remember the atas word, you say meet up lah. Okay, so this will form the dark and bright. Sorry. Should say crest will form the bright fringes. The throat will form the dark fringes lah. Okay. This is the answer. Constructive interference form bright fringes. Constructive interference occurs when crest meet with crest or trough meets with trough, resulting maximum amplitude. Destructive interference produces dark fringes. Destructive interference occurs when crest meet with trough, resulting zero amplitude. Or you just mentioned in destructive interference, 1 mark. So you tell crest meet with trough, 2nd mark already. Okay? Yeah. See bright fringe 2 marks, dark fringe 2 marks, something like that. So the 4 marks here easy to get. Okay, done. Okay, if done, please think about the diffraction. If done, please think about diffraction. 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 Here, interference diffraction. Okay, for this one, I will give some hints here. It is like the wave, it is like a normal wave. So when the light comes in, so how? And then when the light comes like this is not interfere, so just normal wave. So how? You can draw this first, then you complete the wave. This is one of the past year question. So it acts like what lens? Think. Yeah, convex lens and concave lens. Which one is which lens? And after that, how will the green light go down? So that part will become, so now this part will become dark fringe or bright fringe, dark fringe or bright fringe. The time to recall. Okay. This is top view. This is side view. I mean, this is the ripple tank. So this diagram means we see from top view. And then this diagram is we see from side view. This is side view. Okay. Alamak. Alamak. This is ripple tank. Okay, can you see now? Up here got light, then down here got water. Then the ripple tank starts to vibrate. The light got pointed down. So this is under the ripple tank. So you see the pattern from top view. This is the pattern you see before passing through the gap is a plane wave. Top view. What I draw here is side view. Means, of course, we cannot see properly. Means we see from so what I draw is we see from here, side view. What we observe here is top view. Now, can you see this is a gap? The plane wave goes through here, become a curve. So why we can see the bright fringe and the dark fringe? Yes. So the side view is like this because when the wave go up as crest, we make this crest as a convex lens. Then this one, the throw act as a concave lens. So convex lens will focus the light. So the light will focus here. So this one become a bright fringe. Where the dark fringe will make the light diverge. So here is a dark fringe, bright fringe and dark fringe. Get the idea? Why you feel like wilted? Take some sweets and eat. That one, okay. Okay, so now the dark fringe and bright fringe form here just because of the crest and throw. But the dark fringe and bright fringe forms here is like interfere lah. Right? So now this is the answer. Before I show you, no. Okay, so we say crest acts like the convex lens. Then a parallel light rays from the lamp converge. Focus. Converge means focus at the crest and produce bright fringe. Now see, 2 marks for bright fringe. Then another 2 marks for dark fringes. 4 marks 啊？可以吗？ Just now it's constructive, destructive interference. Now it's just crash and trove. Okay. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Again, it's okay. Just write your name and your friends. Okay, so now we. Okay, if you're already done, you can look at where I know some of you can do very fast. Now you can look back to this one first, and the nota is in front. Look back to the STVT graph first. I advise you directly do first to check do you still can remember. Who wants to order McDonald's? Okay. Mira. I heard the sound. I heard the music. Hmm? 不好吃。没有 I good feedback. I can buy another type next time. Good. Close, close. Oh. Okay, right. Define displacement. Dun, dun, dun. 1000. Đây. We start with it is the hang the shortest distance between 2 points. Thank you. Sit down. Right. Tiffany, what is velocity? I give you formula. I give you formula. Translate formula. Sorry? Yes, very good. It is the rate of change of displacement. I have a question. Can I use distance? No. Yeah, yes, no, cannot, sorry. No. No. Why? Yeah, because velocity and displacement are vector quantity. Very good. Now, B. Based on diagram 2, state the type of motion. For number 2 first, type of motion, which we just did it in mid-year exam. For BC, okay, BC looks curved. It's okay, we see later. But CD, we just did it in mid-year exam. How to describe the motion in CD? Right? Ibrahim. Ahmad Ibrahim. I want CD. Okay. Deceleration. So sorry. Wrong. Yes, you need to have one more words in front. Yes, you need to have constant. Okay, or uniform lah. Yeah, uniform. Yeah, uniform or constant. Okay. So what do you think for ST graph? What is the motion here? Right, Saravana? CD. I give you a hint. It is a straight line like CD. Why you get answer from Kumar? Okay, your answer is constant or uniform velocity. So, I want to know from you, This gradient represented what? And this gradient represented what? Helen. You all learn in maths and MS, right? Gradient. Ah? One or two acceleration. Two acceleration. One. Sean, don't tell her. Velocity. Okay, you memorize it or you recall it from your maths? Ellen, you memorize or you recall from your maths? Yeah, okay. Okay. So actually this is your maths and MS lah. So gradient actually means y-axis divided by x-axis. S over t velocity lah. Then the gradient for this is v divided by t. Means changes of v divided by t is acceleration lah. Okay. So now, and this is called differentiation, which is ds over dt. Do you know actually differentiation looking for the gradient of a curved graph? Okay, so now you learn differentiation and also you learn integration. Integration looking for which part of the graph? Yes, so area of the graph. So this one would be changes of v times dt. Means v times t is area under graph lah. Okay. So what do you think? Area under graph actually means you will find back displacement. What do you think this area under graph represented? Anything? Sure? Yeah, nothing. Yeah, really. So, only VT graph can find gradient, can find area under graph. Okay? So that's why VT graph always appears in SPM lah. Okay? So now you can your class over at 3 o'clock. Ha ha ha. You are such a genius. Okay, look at this. If you still feel, but I don't think you will feel this is difficult. Like you all go member, right? Okay, like we do this. This is ST graph, VT graph, and AT graph. We make a very short summary. From ST graph, you want to find V, you get gradient. From AT graph, you want to find, from VT graph, you want to find acceleration, you also find gradient. Then when it go back, it will get area under graph. Area under graph. Okay? For me, I will feel like ds over dt is velocity lah. dv over dt is acceleration lah. So area would be A times T is its velocity. Then V times T is displacement. I memorize it in maths way lah. Good, good, good. Yay. Yeah, if you cannot, okay lah, you remember this lah. Gradient go down, area go up, SVT. Okay, SVA, alright? Yeah, integration. Okay, seems like you understand, seems. Now, look down here. For C, what is the total distance traveled by motor? Everyone count and show the working, and I will call your name to answer it. Why you laugh so happily? Because this is your famous chapter, is it? Yeah, so count. You get answer already. How many? Yes, correct. Congratulations. How about C? How about number 1C? 20. Again? 20. 20. No. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Right, Yvonne. Done. Not yet. Done. Okay, right. 2C answer. That's just 37.5 meter. Without meter wrong, huh? Why? Okay. Okay. By the way, if you just write like this, you only get 1 mark, huh? Where is another mark? Yes, working. So it will be area under graph lah. You show lah, okay? Now, what is the total distance traveled? Like Yvonne? 20? 20. Okay, let's see the answer. Right?错了，对不起。Okay. Yeah, 20. How you get 20, Look at the top and okay. Okay, now we look at BC. BC is a curved line. Okay, BC is a curved line, so yeah, it's velocity for number 1. and its acceleration for number 2. So since it is a curved line, means it is an increasing velocity or increasing acceleration. That's why if it is a straight line, you must mention it is a constant or uniform acceleration. Because I believe you all know that linear graph, all of the gradient the same. Agree? A linear graph, all of the gradient the same. So same gradient means constant. Gradient means constant speed or constant acceleration. So, and I believe all of you practice a lot in maths already. How is the gradient from B to C? Yes, increasing. How to draw the increasing gradient? Yeah, we make yes, very good, very good. Yeah. From your hand, I can know already. Okay, so we make 3 dots first, then we make a triangle. So we can see the gradient increases lah. So that's why the gradient here for number 1 is velocity. So we say increasing velocity. That's why in mid-year, if you don't put constant there, sorry lah. Alright? Constant. Because curve is increasing or decreasing. Straight line is constant. That's why the constant, the word, or uniform, the word's very important. Alright? Right? Seems like you understand. Seems. Now I got 3 graphs here. So the graph like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. The graph, this is a curved graph. This is a straight graph. This is a straight graph. This is a flat graph. This is flat. This is flat. I simply call your name and ask you which part is what. Okay, now, first of all, what is the gradient of ST graph? Like Alexander? 没有来，怎么他名字在这里？就是你，谢谢你的 calculator。来，gradient is 是你，谢谢你。Velocity。来 what is the area under graph? 分腰，分腰。Okay, I stand. Yeah, me. Yeah, actually, this means nothing. Very good. All right, so now, like, what is the velocity from point A to, sorry, what is the acceleration from point A to B? Right, Zhenwen? Zero acceleration. Why you say so? Yeah, because the gradient is 0. Thank you. Now, what is the area under graph? Like surface. Displacement. Sure. Yeah, very good. It's displacement. Now, What is the gradient here represented by Chun Lam? Chun Lam? À. À. Gradient of AT graph. Yeah, gradient 0 means what? Means represent velocity, displacement, acceleration, time. Like the graph for ST graph means nothing. So this one, the gradient of AT graph means nothing. Very good. Then what is area under graph? Right? Kn. Uh-huh. Yeah, velocity. Okay, that's it. Yeah. If I see anyone wrong this again, you die. Okay, right now, look at page 13, which is Form 5, Chapter 4, Electromagnetism. Okay, so now, number one, we learn force on current carrying conductor, which is motor. We use Fleming left hand rules. The F here means what? It will produce force. Force means it will move the motor. Then we learn dynamo, or we say it is generator, means the right hand rule will produce current I. Current I, okay? Okay, then the factors affect the speed here is how much current you supply. Then the factors affect the current is what is the relative speed. And both of them depends on strength of magnet. Yes. Sorry? Sorry, again what? Yeah, right. You are right. Yes, very good. Yeah. Yes, we must be we must give very accurate words. Yes, produce induced current. Thank you very much. Yeah. Because this current not from battery, yeah, we must say induced current. Yes. Okay. Number of turns, more number of turns, more induced current. Okay, good. Okay, so now, how they convert the energy. Okay, so okay, the concept to produce force is we say catapult field. So, can you recall what is catapult field? Right, please write the definition of catapult field. Okay, I give you hints. Is the resultant. I give you one more word. Interaction. I make it a sentence. Blah 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 blah. Interaction. Tell me the whole sentence, Sean. Okay. Okay, good. So next. Then how current is induced? We got 4 steps. Yes, yes, yes. Not current carrying conductor cuts through. What I say is yeah. Yeah. The key is cut. Ah. Then blah 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 blah. Okay. It's a must. 5 Acacia is a must to memorize the catapult field. Because trial got ask this. Okay, then how like may I know from how to induce current? Dun, dun, dun. Alexander lah. When no. You must tell what you do. What you do. How current is induced when you can you see what am I doing? I am yes. So I say you must tell first. You must tell you move the wire to the permanent magnet. Then, so the wire will cut what? Yes, will cut the magnetic flux. Please use magnetic flux instead of magnetic field line. Magnetic field line, the line called magnetic flux. Okay? Then, so at that time, it will produce, the wire will produce induced EMF. What is EMF actually? Voltage. Yeah, it's voltage. So finally, it will produce induced got voltage. So now we'll have BIR. Okay, induced current. Thanks for helping, Alexander. Okay? Okay. Now, here is the brushless motor and brush motor. Okay, I always like to say brushless motor is Dyson. Brush motor is normal machine. Okay, then how's the working of DC jet? Now let's look at essay question here. 11 and 12. 11 and 12. Can tell me what's the difference? Okay, which one is motor? 11 or 12 is motor. Okay, so yeah, this is motor and this is generator. So this is motor, this is generator. Or if you want to say dynamo also can. Dynamo means generator lah. Explain how above device works. Hey, you just told me catapult field. You just told me this. I gave you 3 minutes. You figure out first, Ken. Motor means we give current, it moves. Generator means we move, so it can't got current. I make it as your own sentence. I do it yourself now. And let's check how many marks you can score. 4 marks normally got 4 sentences lah, normally. By the way, when you write, please give point form but full sentence, alright? Don't make it as a perenggan. Walao eh. Kẹp. Thermometer 中间有一个洞。split， 也可以叫它 commutator， 你可以叫它 split ring。split ring。 Okay, done. You don't worry about the sentence, but you write first. Write already? You write first. You write first. Okay, 写完了吗？没有。Okay, give you one more minute. Give you one more minute. Hả? 我的 Brian 昨天来了。要啦，他为了蹭冷气啊。Three 个米让有人。Admit 好像难。Okay, 来 now let's check. How many marks do you get? Number by the way, just now see I forgot. Cannot just say motor. Must say DC motor. Direct current or DC. Okay, you can use the word DC because it's international unit, can? So same like the acceleration, deceleration, must have constant, the word. This one must have DC, okay? Now, how to get your first mark? First, you must mention when current flows in the coil, or you say, since here got the words, please use back the word in your sentence, right? Current, you can say current flows from commutator to the coil, flows from carbon brass commutator to the coil. So we say magnetic field produced. Or if you want to say magnetic flux produced, I also can. So now, here become magnetic flux, and this one permanent magnet also got magnetic flux. Number one, when you say current flows and current flows, you can get 1 mark. Magnetic field or magnetic flux produced, 2nd mark. The 3rd mark is if you say interaction between magnetic field from CCC and the magnetic field from permanent magnet. This is the 3rd mark. Okay. Then it will produce catapult field. This is the 4th mark. So Now finally we say, a pair of forces in opposite direction cause the coil to rotate. So this is number 5. This is number 6. So even though 4 marks, but normally they got more than 4 sentences. How many you score? I don't know. You score nothing because you didn't write. So the 4 marks question, normally you need to tell what is the first step. This is current flows, all right? The point. 我有遇过有的，10分都有的，我有看过。You mean this? 可以。If you say catapult field is the can. If you say catapult field is the resultant magnetic field, can. Can. Inertia. Normally from 6才需要解释到 inertia 啦。Now no need 解释到 inertia. Yeah, you are right. They are inertia. But normally from 6, next level only you need to explain that. Okay, so now next, this one. Okay, now 还有5分钟啊，死鬼！还有什么对？最好是不要紧啦，这个 class 很麻烦。whatever, Mr. Eugene. 没有。Okay, like this one, let's check. Okay, just now we'll score 4 out of 4. 2个人3个人 Thank you. Okay, this one is, as long as you mention rotate, or you say move, or you say turn, as long as got motion about the coil, clockwise, anti-clockwise, doesn't matter. Then you say the coil cuts the magnetic flux. The coil cuts the magnetic flux. So marks 1, you say you move. Marks 2, you say you cut the magnetic flux. Marks 3, you can say current is induced or EMF is induced. Either one. Then we say the commutator changes direction in coil so that the direction of current is always the same. Okay, this one, don't want also, never mind. Okay, so get the idea? Okay, the 4th mark would be Yeah, can say current 1 mark, EMF is induced 1 mark. Yeah, the fourth mark lah. Okay. Okay, done. Copy. Hả? 他们在怎么？他们在 treasure hunt 是吗？他们 so happy ending for today. Yeah. Okay, so class 10. Thank you.